FenSens Smart Wireless Parking Sensor. It's an affordable upgrade for any car with an installation that takes less than 5 minutes. Is that really true? Well, we're about to find out. FenSens is a device you install on one of your license plates and access it through a custom app made just for this product. And if it works as it was intended, then it should stop you from running into things whilst parking your car. If you're interested, then I suggest you visit their website, which will be linked in the description. But for now, let's get into it, shall we? The packaging is very delicate and comes with simple illustrations that teach you how to set the whole thing up. Besides that, it also comes with weatherproof batteries that should last you about 5 months, and everything else that will be required for setting up the sensor. Oh, and a Bluetooth button which, when synced up to your phone, activates the sensor. The physical installation mainly consists of 2 parts, a holding frame which goes under your license plate and the sensor which you attach to the bottom of the license plate. It comes with a bunch of screws which you should definitely use for security reasons and to avoid theft. Once you're done with that, it's time to download their app. You can register, or alternatively you can use your Facebook profile. In the app you will find a bunch of different settings you can go through, but what you should do firstly is sync up your phone to this sensor and the little tap button. It's probably worth mentioning that FenSens has a list of iOS and Android versions which you have to have if you wish to successfully launch their app. And that's about it. The installation took slightly more than 5 minutes, but with all the guides they have packed in, it was a walk in the park. The only real problem came up when we tried registering to the app. It didn't work. However, one day later and the problem fixed itself, and everything went smoothly from that point on. Again, you can visit their website at fensens.com and look through their offers. For now, that will be it, and until next time.